Good afternoon, my dear students. Let us complete the exercise 14b, that is equation of straight line from the book R.S. Agarwal. 3 up to 3 are completed. Now, just today I am going to start number 4. Without using Pythagoras theorem, prove that the points P, that is 1, 3, Q, 3, minus 1 and R minus 5, minus 5 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, using slope of the line. Just see here, points P given 1, 3, Q 3, minus 1 and R given, that is minus 5, minus 5. So first of all, I have to find out slope of PQ. The slope of PQ, formula PQ, that will be minus 1 minus 3 by 3 minus 1. How much getting? Minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. And slope of QR, the slope of QR will be minus 5 minus of minus 1 by minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 plus 1, that will be minus 4 by minus 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now see, slope of PQ and slope of QR will give you minus 1. Therefore, slope of PQ into slope of QR, how much coming? Minus 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. Therefore, PQ and Q are perpendicular to each other. That means this is the figure. PQ perpendicular to QR. As the slope of PQ into slope of QR is giving minus 1, the two lines are perpendicular. Therefore, PQR is a right hand triangle. Therefore, it is a right hand triangle. Number 3 is clear. Let us go number 4. Question number 5. Without using distance formula, show that the points, that is A given 1, minus 2, like this. You have to prove it is a parallelogram. A, like this it is given, A, B, C, D. Without using distance formula, you have to show that it is a parallelogram. A given 1, minus 2, B given 3, 6, C given 5, 10, D given 3, 2. Without using distance formula, you have to prove here the vertices of a parallelogram. Means if it is parallel to each other, means slope of AB is equal to slope of CD and slope of BC should be equal to slope of AD. Let us see one by one. Therefore, slope of AB. Slope of AB means 6 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 1, that is 2. 8 by 2 means 4. And slope of BC, slope of, okay, see, I am finding slope of BC. Slope of BC is what? 10 minus 6, 5 minus 3, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is coming 4 by 2 coming 2. Then slope of CD. Slope of CD is how much? 10 minus 2, 5 minus 3, this is 8 by 2 coming 4. That means slope of AB and slope of CD equal coming. Next, slope of DA. Slope of DA, same process, y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 1 coming 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. Now see the slope of AB. See, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD and slope of BC is equal to slope of CD. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD which is equal to 4, and slope of BC and slope of DA, these are equal coming to. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is proved. Without distance formula, it is proved. Okay. Let us go one more question, number 6. Question number 6. ABC is a triangle. A given 5, 4, B given -3, -2, C given 1, -8. And you have to find out slope of median AD. Median means midpoint of BC. Slope of AD you have to find out. That is AD is the median. Again slope of altitude, that is BM. Altitude means perpendicular. Okay. So first of all you have to find out coordinate of D, midpoint of BC, midpoint of BC, that will be -3, -1, -3 plus 1 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2, that is -8 by 2. How much coming? -2 by 2 means -1. This is -10 by 2 means -5. Midpoint of BC, that is D point. Therefore, slope of AD, which is median. Slope of AD means it is a median, as it is midpoint of BC joint. The slope of AD, you got D is how much? -1, -5. Difference in y coordinate, that is 4 plus 5 by 5 plus 1. How much coming? 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2. Slope of median AD. And slope of BM will be negative reverse of slope of AC. And slope of BM will be how much? Just reciprocal negative reverse of minus 1 by slope of AC. 1 by slope of AC, as it is perpendicular. Okay, that means we have to find out first of all slope of AC using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. After getting the slope of AC, then you can find slope of BM. Just see. Therefore, slope of AC is how much? Your formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2, that is 4 plus 8 by 5 minus 1. This is coming 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. Therefore, slope of BM, which is altitude, BM perpendicular to AC. That will negative reverse means -1 by 3. In this way, question number 6 also completed. Let us go next number. Question number 7, it is given, find the equation of straight line perpendicular to the line. That line equation given 2x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line given. From here, first to find slope of this line. The slope of this line will be 5. Just arrange here 5y is equal to -2x minus 7 and y is equal to minus 2 by 5 into x plus minus 7 by 5. Okay, the slope of this line is how much? Therefore, slope of this line is equal to minus 2 by 5. Therefore, slope of required line, which is perpendicular, slope of required line which is perpendicular to the above is equal to how much? Negative reverse means 5 by 2. As it is given, slope of this line is minus 2 by 5. The slope of the required line which is perpendicular to this line will be 5 by 2. Now you are getting slope of the required line. Again, y-intercept given minus 3. So using slope intercept form, the equation of required line having slope that is equal to 5 by 2 and y-intercept that is equal to minus 3 will be how much? Just to see, y is equal to mx plus c. So this implies y is equal to m is how much? 5x by 2 and c is here minus 3. Taking LCM, this will be 2y is equal to 5x minus 6. So this implies 5x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to, this is the equation of the required line. Let me explain slight bit. See question number 7, what is given here? Question number 7, it is given, find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line 2x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0 and with y-intercept that is minus 3 units. Y-intercept given and equation of the given line given, you have to find out equation of the required line having slope in intercept form. Okay, equation of the required line it is given. From here you have to arrange in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is minus 2 by 5. Slope of this line is coming minus 2 by 5. Therefore, slope of required line which is perpendicular to the above line will be 5 by 2. Using slope intercept form, the equation of required line having slope that is 5 by 2 and y-intercept minus 3. Minus 3 will be y is equal to mx plus c. This is the formula required. Here y you have to keep like this, m that is 5 by 2 into x plus of minus 3. That means taking LCM you are getting 5x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the required answer. Okay, I think it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Later do more sums.